For more information, please refer to your owner's manual.
Service should be performed by authorized service technicians only. Please review all of this product's literature, including all safety warnings and any associated job aids, before performing service on the appliance.
Cooking zone area. To ensure that the cooktop functions properly, use pots and pans of a suitable minimum diameter. Always use the cooking zone that best corresponds to the minimum diameter of the bottom of the pot or pan. Place the pot or pan, making sure it is well centered, on the cooking zone in use. Only use pots and pans made from ferromagnetic material, which are suitable for use with induction cooktop. To ensure that the cooktop functions properly, use pots and pans of a suitable minimum diameter. It is recommended not to use pots or pans that exceed the perimeter of the cooking zone in use. Cookware should not extend more than half an inch outside the area.